Have you ever struggled with Mailchimp to make custom email template? No worry, I am here with a quick tutorial. Mailchimp actually simplifies email marketing with user-friendly tools. But the most common problem that everyone faces, and I also face, is email delivery issues. For example, if I send emails, it ends up in the recipient's spam folder. So it reduces their visibility and effectiveness. Let's jump into the video. So I am over here on their main website. And over here, we just simply have to click on the sign up option. So over here, to sign up, just simply enter in your email address, your username, and your password, and you are good to go. Now check this box and click on sign up. And once you have done that, they will basically ask you to check your email address to verify your account. And over here, this is the email address. So simply click on activate account, and it will take you over to the main website where you can get started. And here you need to add your first name and last name, business name and phone number, and just click on next. Now the next step is you need to add your address here, your city name, state, postal code and country. So just simply click on next. Okay, so now further they will ask you what's your top goal here. So let's just choose sale revenue or conversion and simply click on next. Now here, what do you want to explore first? So we are here for email, so just simply click on email, or you can skip it. Now here, how many email contacts do you have? So I am just choosing the second option here, like 500 to 1500. Go to next. And here, how do you sell to your customers? So let's say we have an website our own, and now you can go ahead and start to use Mailchimp. Over left corner, click on create, and it's going to ask you as a regular email or plain text or template. Choose a template. So let's go ahead and click on template. And over here, basically this is how it's going to look like. And click on get started. So start creating an email template. Now over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options over here. We have the layouts over here. We can choose whichever layout we want. So we have gallery, SMS, column, natural, bold, minimal. So here I'm just going to use this bold one. So simply click on select. And the next step is you need to name your template here. So I'm just typing coffee here and just save it. Now here you need to customize your email template here. So now here at the top, you will have the logo, then your name and the product. And then at the bottom, you will have the text, the showcase. Okay, so now firstly, let's add a logo. So you can directly go to Logo Maker Free, or you can download it from Canva too. So I am just going to Canva to save my design. So I am just searching for here coffee logo. And as you see, there are so many logos. You can choose anyone. I am just choosing this simple one. Customize this template and simply download the photo. So once it is downloaded, go back to the website. Simply click on the logo, and here you see the option on the top, set logo. Simply click on it and you will see the photo that we just saved. It will upload here. So once it is uploaded, now as you see, it shows here. You can change its position by just clicking on alignment, left, right, or in center. Now it's time to add the product name here. So just simply select all the data here and delete it. And now just give the title to your product here. Now you need to add the product photo here. So for this, open the new tab, and I am just searching for coffee here, and simply download any photo that you want to add. So I add this photo here. Simply download the photo. Go back to the website, and here click on add and upload image. And now upload the image that we just saved, like the photo of coffee. So now it is uploaded here. Now you need to add the showcase here. So just simply go to all here and just copy this first line here, so we can add it in our showcase. Now go back to the website and delete the previous showcase data and add the new one. Only coffee is not looking good here, so I am just adding coffee house here to enhance it more. And there you go. This is how it looks like. And that's how you basically create an email template using Mailchimp. Now just simply save the template from here. Now what? If you wanted to take this to the next step, if you wanted to create a campaign, just send out emails, you are simply going to click on all campaigns over here, and just click on create a campaign. It's going to ask you what type of campaign you want. So here we need to click regular email. Here you need to import the contact. Here you need to enter your email and your name. Here you need to add subject. This is content. Here you need to add your designs. So we will add the template that we just made. Okay, so now as you see, there are so many templates, but we will go with the saved one. So you need to simply click on the save template option, and here you will see the template that you just saved. So simply click on apply, and here the content is added. So simply click on save and exit. Okay, so now the content is added. So what you need to do is just simply click on send button, because we already import the contact. So all the data is already added. So just simply hit the send button. So the email campaign will be started. In this quick tutorial, I show you how you can sign up for Mailchimp, how you can customize your email templates, and how you can add logos and product photos. Plus how you can start email campaigns. Actually, Mailchimp provides an easy-to-use platform. It offers a variety of customizable email templates, and it allows you to automate email sequences. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit this like button. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!